Welcome to this Java course. In this video, we'll kick off your Java programming journey with some fun and easy hands-on exercises. Let's get started and make you fall in love with Java. In this course, we'll cover everything you need to know about Java, from basic syntax to advanced concepts. By the end of this course, you'll be well equipped to create amazing Java applications. But it starts at the very beginning, and we'll dive right in. Well, sort of. There's one thing I briefly want to mention first. Before we really dive into Java, let's quickly understand the difference between Frontend and Backend development and where Java comes into play. Frontend development focuses on what users see and interact with. So there you are creating the application that's visible on the screen of the user. While backend development handles the logic, data storage, and communication between the different components. Let's say that we're having a banking application, and we have a user who'd like to log in. They grab their device, for example their phone, tablet, or laptop, and they navigate to the banking site or they open the banking app. Then they want to log in and they enter their codes. But your phone doesn't know whether you're allowed to log in or not. Even though it has the app installed, it can open the app without the internet, but it cannot determine whether you can log in or not. So you enter your code, and that sends a signal to the server. And on this server, there's an application who can determine whether you can log in. But also this server doesn't know whether you can log in or not. In order to know whether you can log in, the server needs to communicate with the database. The database will then send a response back to the server, and if the user can indeed log in, the server will go ahead and process the page. If not, the server will go ahead and process an error message. Anyway, a response is being sent back to the device, and this is where you see the message that you can either not log in or you see your starting screen. And then, of course, in order to get all the data in your banking app, your phone is connecting with the server and the database constantly. In this web application, the front end might be built using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular, Vue, React, those sort of languages, and that's meant for the user interface. Java is on the server. So the backend would be written in Java, and that would go ahead and manage the user data, process any registration requests, and also communicate with the database. So what is Java? Java is a popular backend programming language, and in the olden days we would used to do front-end with it too. I'm not saying you won't ever run into that anymore, but today it's mainly used for web backend development, mobile app development, particularly Android, and even enterprise software development.